In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Google AdSense identity verification failure. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Identity verification can sometimes be a little daunting, but I'm here to guide you through the process step by step so you can get your account back on track. First, you'll want to head over to the Google AdSense homepage. Once you're there, log in using the account that is facing the verification failure. If you don't remember your password, now's a good time to reset it. Just follow the prompts and you should be back in your account in no time. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu of your AdSense dashboard. You'll see several options there, but the one we're interested in right now is Payments. Click on that option. This will take you to a section where you'll find all your monetization settings and details regarding your earnings and payment methods. After you click on Payments, your next step is to find the Verification section. Look for an option that says Verification Check or something similar. This should lead you to the status of your identity verification issue. It's crucial to check this status so you can understand what exactly went wrong in the verification process. Now that you're in the verification section and can see the status of your issue, you'll want to take action. Look for a link that says Verify Your Identity and click on it. This is essentially the gateway to fixing the problem. When you click this link, it will allow you to initiate the process of re-uploading your documents. Here's where attention to detail is so important. When prompted, make sure to upload a new copy of your ID document. The key here is clarity. It's essential that the copy you submit is perfectly clear and legible. If your ID is blurry or hard to read, this can lead to further delays, so doing it right the first time is beneficial. During the upload process, pay attention to any specifications regarding file types and size limits. Google has strict regulations about what types of files they accept and how big they can be. So ensuring that your document meets these requirements is critical. If you're unsure about any of these specifics, it's always a good idea to double-check the guidelines provided on the AdSense help pages. After you have uploaded your document, the waiting game begins. Google will review your new submission, and this typically takes a few days, so be patient. During this time, you might want to keep an eye on your email for any updates from Google regarding your identity verification status. And that's it. You've now gone through the steps to fix the Google AdSense identity verification failure issue. Just remember, staying organized and paying attention to details can make this process smoother for you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. We're here to provide more tips and tricks to help you navigate the online world more easily. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.